Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to adjust tracking for multi-line text in Photoshop. Now I open Photoshop and create a medium canvas for a paragraph-based design. First, I type a multi-line paragraph using a clean sans serif font. Then I highlight all the text and adjust the tracking slider to space letters evenly. After that, I duplicate the paragraph and test wider spacing for an area effect. Now I observe how tracking interacts with line spacing and readability. Next, I apply layer styles like subtle inner shadow or gradient overlays to enhance aesthetics. Then I align the text blocks using guides to maintain symmetry. After this, I refine tracking for different font sizes within the paragraph.